Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change wallet's name on My Ether wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the My Ether wallet application from your app drawer. Once you come across this main homepage, tap on the Manage Account button appearing right under Total Portfolio Value option. Now tap on your wallet and then right where you can see account name, type in the new name you'd like to set for your wallet. After you do that, you can now go back and see that you've successfully changed your wallet's name for My Ether wallet. That is how quickly and easily you can easily update your name on My Ether wallet in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.